Hello again from Playa del Perellonet in Catalan, or in Spanish Playa de la Perellonet, and these beautiful sand dunes. So this beach is quite long, and I have already shown you the beginning of the beach that starts from south to north at El Perelló. And I was walking by and I wanted to go to the next beach, which was 3 kilometers away. But then I saw these sand dunes over here and I thought to show you, as you have seen in the beginning of the video. So that means I'm going to do another beach adventure on this beach, as it is quite long beach to be fair. And yes, the day is 2nd of October, Monday, finally Monday. And there are very few people on the beach. It's quite long and huge, so you can find your own inner peace very easily. And I can see at the beginning of the beach where I took my swim earlier. So now I'm showing you also the middle of the beach that has also the sand dunes. And the city here is called also as the beach El Perellonet. I don't see many people on the balconies, but they have super nice views over the Mediterranean Sea. And boy, what a nice Mediterranean Sea this is in Valencia. So, as you have been following my previous beach adventures, today, on the 2nd of October, I am exploring the south coast of Valencia. So I have arrived with bus number 25 that took me from the central Valencia to El Perelló, and now I am walking along the coast towards Valencia to explore as many beaches as possible and to show you the YouTube channel so that you can visit one of these when you're on your sightseeing trip to Valencia. So yes, and this can be accessible all year long actually, because the climate is mild. Even in December and January it's quite good and quite decent to take a swim in the sea. So yep, yeah, the dunes look so nice from here. I mean, they are not as huge as the ones I have seen in Maspalomas in Gran Canaria island, but still quite decent for continental Spain. And I can see the coast, and I'm looking forward to see and visit more beaches later. But yes, this is part 2 from Playa del Perellonet. So let's go! Oh boy, life is a beach indeed. Feeling so blessed to be able to enjoy on this Monday in the Mediterranean coast. And I'm already looking into booking some more weekend trips going forward, as climate is mild on the Mediterranean. So hit me up if you have any suggestions for other Mediterranean destinations that you can swim in during the winter. So yeah, that's a wrap from Playa del Perellonet, this beautiful beach in the south coast of Valencia. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.